Hello everyone, how are you all?
I am fine, sir. What about you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I am also fine, thank you. But in this class, today I will teach you all English subject. In English, what we did study in our last class, can you tell anybody? Abiral, Ansh Pandey. In our last class, we
Sir,
studied the grammar junction. Which chapter? Which topic we did study in our last
the
class?
Cobrick Junction,
vocabulary
sir.
junction.
Book 3.
Which junction, beta?
Cobrick
Vocabulary
Junction.
junction.
Vocabulary junction. In vocabulary junction, what we did study in our last class?
Compound adjective.
Compound adjective. Compound adjective. Everybody remember about the compound adjective or not?
Sir, remember.
You all have remembered. Can you tell me that key? What is compound adjective? Who can tell? What is compound adjective, Aviral? Arun Gupta, do you remember about compound adjective? Ansh Pandey, what we did study, beta?
Yes, sir.
What is compound adjective? What is compound adjective? Whenever two words are used as an adjective, whenever two or more than two words
Sir,
used as an adjective to get दो या दो से ज्यादा वर्ड्स को एक साथ अगर यूज किया जाए हाइफन लगा करके एडजेक्टिव के लिए यूज किया जाए तो दैट
yes.
टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज कॉल्ड द
Compound adjective.
कैन यू गिव
That
सम एग्जांपल
compound adjective.
कैन यू गिव सम
The
एग्जांपल
compound adjective.
अंश पांडे आल्सो आई नीड एग्जांपल फ्रॉम योर साइड everybody have to give one at least one example अंश पांडे अबिरल अरुण गुप्ता you have to tell me a compound adjective you all have to tell us at least one example of compound adjective abiral
Sir, indeed.
बेटा अबिरल बताइए अरुण nobody remember किसी को नहीं ध्यान है क्यों अंश कुछ ध्यान नहीं है you forgot what is the mean of learning you forget the topic you are not able to tell about the compound adjective just for the
Sir, may I tell?
yes arun बताइए
Sir, the dog is very big, but its puppy is very small.
the dog is very big but puppy is very
Sir,
small
and its
which word is the compound adjective in this sentence
sir big and small.
big and small has क्यों अबिरल can you tell us that big and small is has been used as a compound adjective or adjective
Sir, adjective.
it is not a compound adjective the definition of the
Yes,
compound
sir.
adjective is whenever two words used as an adjective two words यानी दो word एक साथ मिल करके जब adjective का काम करे दो words कोई भी दो words हो सकते हैं वो दो वर्ड्स मिल करके तब जाके एडजेक्टिव का काम करें तब जाके एडजेक्टिव का सेंस निकाले एडजेक्टिव का मतलब निकालें दैट इज कॉल्ड ए कंपाउंड एडजेक्टिव none of the students I remember so I think before moving ahead I should start I should recap the last session recap तो चल ही रहा है फिलहाल do one thing open your book everybody open your book and read about the vocabulary junction and tell us what is some tell us also the some example of the compound adjective everyone you look into the book everybody look into the book and give some example of the compound adjective Ans Pandey and Arun Gupta beta you speak some of the compound some of the examples you told some of the example okay Mehak is joining let us Mehak let Mehak try Mehak Start your video, beta. Aviral Chaturvedi, did you look into your book or not? Aviral, did you look into your book or not? Meg, why you are late, Meg?
सर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम बता रहा था, ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा था.
Okay, you are having the network issue. This is a new kind of excuse. 15 मिनट बाद अचानक नेटवर्क आ गया, हर दिन नहीं होता था. चलिए ठीक है बेटा. मैक, टेल अस वन थिंग. What we did study in our last class? That was the compound adjective. Do you remember about the compound adjective? What is compound adjective? Mehak.
Compound adjective made up of from two words.
Can you give some
With the
example?
Yes, sir. I am going to market to buy a old-fashioned dress.
What is the compound adjective in this sentence?
Old-fashioned.
Old-fashioned. Only fashion is not an adjective. Old-fashioned. Old-fashioned dress. Dress is a noun.
Yes.
Noun, pronoun.
Yes.
नाउन प्रोनाउन के बारे में जो बताए, उसकी क्वालिटी अच्छी बुरे जो बताए, दैट इज एडजेक्टिव. दैट इज कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. आप ही लोगों ने बताया था. तो ओल्ड फैशन, या यहाँ पे ओल्ड और फैशन दोनों को मिला करके ड्रेस के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. फैशन ड्रेस नहीं बोला गया, ओल्ड ड्रेस नहीं बोला गया. सिर्फ ओल्ड ड्रेस होता तो दैट वाज ए एडजेक्टिव. लेकिन ओल्ड फैशन, देयर इज अ कपल ऑफ वर्ड हैज बीन यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब द ड्रेस. दिस ड्रेस के बारे में बताने के लिए टू वर्ड्स, ओल्ड फैशन वर्ड का यूज किया गया है. ओल्ड फैशन शब्द मतलब आप दो अलग अलग वर्ड्स को मिला करके ओल्ड फैशन बनाए हैं. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज कॉल्ड द कंपाउंड एडजेक्टिव. Arun Gupta told some of the sentence. Arun Gupta, can you repeat the same sentence, whatever you given as an example? What was the first sentence?
Sir, the girl sang a very melodious song.
The girl sang a very melodious song. Which is the adjective here? Melodious. You told that ki melodious is a compound adjective. How compound adjective is this? Melodious is a single word. वो सॉन्ग के बारे में बता रहा है. मेलोडियस वो सिंगल वर्ड है. एक मेलोडियस एक सिंगल वर्ड से मिलकर के बना है. मेलोडियस अपने आप में एक शब्द है.
Sir, song is
this is a type of adjective, not compound adjective. Yes, Arun, what you are telling?
The song is the adjective.
The song क्या है? एडजेक्टिव है. आपको अभी एडजेक्टिव नहीं पहचानना आता है. एडजेक्टिव क्या होता है?
सर आता है.
क्या होता है बताइए? What do you understand by adjective?
सर, नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन की विशेषता बताने वाले.
तो ये द सॉन्ग किसकी विशेषता बता रहा है? You gave the example, the girl sang a very melodious song. ये melodious song, ये song आप बता रहे हैं song adjective है. Song किसके? Song adjective, गाना जो है ये adjective है. सॉन्ग एडजेक्टिव है कि ये सॉन्ग जो है किस नाउन प्रोनाउन के बारे में, मतलब क्वालिटी को डिफाइन कर रहा है. सॉन्ग इज ए नाउन. अब आपको क्लास 6 में इतनी छोटी छोटी चीजें हर दिन बताया जाए तो कहां तक पॉसिबल है? सॉन्ग इज ए नाउन एंड मेलोडियस इज टेलिंग अबाउट द नाउन. मेलोडियस is a word which has been used to tell about the song, कि song कैसा है, अच्छा है, बुरा है, melodious है आपने बोला. तो melodious has been used as an adjective. आपने second sentence आपने बताया था. Can you speak? Can you tell us the second sentence again, Arun? Read the second sentence. What did you say before some time? Arun, read the second sentence. You also give one more example. Arun, I'm asking to you, unmute yourself and speak. ये big brown ये क्या क्या करके आपने एग्जांपल दिया था? You You have to
Sir,
read the same sentence again.
The big brown dogs started chasing us.
Pardon, please. Pardon. Speak once again. I could not get.
The big brown dog started chasing us.
Okay. The big brown dog
Started chasing us.
started chasing us.
Yes, sir.
The big brown dog. ये big brown किसके लिए यूज किया गया? It has been used for the dog. Dog is a noun. Dog एक संज्ञा ही तो है.
Yes, sir.
तो डॉग
Yes,
के
sir.
बारे में क्या पता है? बिग एंड ब्राउन वर्ड हैज बीन यूज्ड. लेकिन बिग ब्राउन वर्ड क्या? बिग एक अलग एडजेक्टिव है, ब्राउन एक अलग एडजेक्टिव है. दोनों एडजेक्टिव है, बट इट इज नॉट ए काइंड ऑफ कंपाउंड एडजेक्टिव. इवन हाइपन भी नहीं यूज किया गया है. बट यू रीड द थर्ड सेंटेंस. I remember, actually right now I'm not having the scan copy of that page, otherwise I would be showing you all. Can you read the third sentence, whatever you have spoken before this?
Sir, he is a part-time worker.
He is a part-time worker. He is a part-time. I think you are having the books. If you look into that, then you would be getting that key between part and time. There should be a hyphen. Part-time worker. Worker is a kind of noun. वर्कर तो एक तरीके का नाम है ना, प्रोफेशन. काम कर रहा है, ये वर्कर है, ये डॉक्टर है, या ये इंजीनियर है, ये टीचर है, या स्टूडेंट है, ये वर्कर है. तो इज इट वर्कर इज अ काइंड ऑफ वर्कर किस तरह का एग्जांपल है? व्हाट टाइप ऑफ एग्जांपल ऑफ इज दिस? वर्कर इज अ टाइप ऑफ व्हिच काइंड ऑफ वर्ड? मैं, Kaviral, Arun, Ans Pandey, none of the students are getting.
Sir, noun.
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 तो इस वर्कर के बारे में क्या बताया जा रहा है? पार्ट टाइम वर्कर. यानी जो वर्कर है वो किस तरह का वर्कर है? पार्ट टाइम इज डिफाइनिंग अबाउट द वर्कर. तो पार्ट टाइम वर्ड, पार्ट अलग वर्ड है, टाइम अलग वर्ड है, दोनों को एक साथ यूज किया गया हाइफन लगा करके एज एन एडजेक्टिव. पार्ट टाइम अलग. अब जॉब की जो पार्ट टाइम वर्कर है उसकी विशेषता बताया जा रहा है कि पार्ट टाइम, फुल टाइम. तो पार्ट टाइम इज अ type of part-time is an example of the compound adjective. Okay.
Yes.
So this was the things
Sir.
we studied in our last class. Compound adjective ये इस तरीके से भूल जाएंगे आप सुन करके उसको. यानी होमवर्क भी आप लोगों ने नहीं किया होगा. इसका मतलब that means कि none of the students were also doing their homework. किसी को इस तरह ध्यान नहीं रहेगा तो कैसे पता चलेगा? क्या मतलब रह जाएगा पढ़ने का? Okay, so today after the vocabulary section, today we are supposed to start the pronunciation junction. In this section we are trying to learn that ki how to speak a word, how to pronounce a word. शब्दों का उच्चारण कैसे करें. Aviral Chaturvedi, can you read these lines from here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
They are dumping fodder before their auction because by the time they get back from the Eidgah, it may be late afternoon.
Okay, but stop. Ans Pandey, can you read from here?
Many times they reject this movement extension as
Okay,
if
extension. Ans Pandey, it is not extension. Mehak, can you tell Ans Pandey what is this?
Exactly.
Exactly. Yes. Continue. Mehak, continue from exactly.
Exactly as if 100,000 electric bulbs were switched on and off at the same time again and again.
Ans Pandey, can you tell how it is pronounced? What is this? Ans Pandey, did you listen carefully, Mehak, or not? To check this, I want from you that what is this? Can you read this one again, Ans Pandey?
Sir, exactly.
Exactly. And this word, Anspande, what is this?
Oxen.
Oxen. Read once more, Anspande.
Exactly.
Exactly. यहाँ पे ox, यहाँ पे x तो नहीं बोला ना, exactly तो नहीं बोला ना, exactly बोला है या exactly, जा है या सा है? महक,
Sir, exact.
how do
Ja.
you pronounce बेटा? With ja or sa?
Sir, ja.
Za. And in this word, what about in this word?
Rasta.
Sa. That means the letter X is pronounced in two different ways. What is happening here? The letter X is pronounced in two different ways in the two words. Oxen में different
Yes,
तरीके से
sir.
pronounce किया जा रहा है. In exactly, it is being pronounced by different way. In the word oxen, X is pronounced as xa. ये होता ना ox, xa. सा नहीं बोलेंगे, ox. तो आधा का आधा सा एक तरीके से है. However, in the word exactly, X is pronounced as za. X is pronounced as za. In words like xylophone, X is pronounced as za. Okay. Now, in this section, we have to read some about. We have to read some of the words. We have to differentiate that ki when and how we have to pronounce letter X. We will be learning that ki how to pronounce X, whether when we are going to pronounce X as a KS and when we are going to pronounce X as a ZA. We have to learn in this section this rule. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Beta, now you all have to, first of all, you all need to read some more words. As of now, you have written three words. You have read three words. Oxen, exactly. And what is this? What is this?
Xylophone. Sir,
Xylophone.
xylophone.
Okay. Xylophone. Exactly. Oxen. Okay. Beta, there are, for all your information, first of all, let us read the some of the more example, then I will tell you the rule. Okay. Now read this
Yes,
one.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody have to unmute themselves so that you all
Maximum.
can finish it quickly. Yes, Aviral.
Maximum.
Aviral.
Sir, maximum.
Aviral, this
Taxi.
one. Okay, Mehak.
Sir, taxi.
Mehak.
Excel.
क्या
Excel.
बेटा?
Exhibition.
What is this?
Sir, Excel.
Excel. Ans Pandey. What is this?
Sir, Excel.
बेटा इनहेल एक्सहेल पढ़ा है ईवीएस में. इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल पढ़ा होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
तो what is this? एक्सहेल या
Excel.
एक्सहेल?
Excel.
What is
Sir,
this, Mehak?
exhale.
Exhale.
Sir,
What is this?
exhale.
Excel.
Exhibition. What is this, beta?
Sir, Excel.
Sir,
This is
exhibition.
exhale. Exhale होता है, exhale होता है. Exhale, inhale. Exhale means क्या होता है? Taking out your breath. Whatever, जब आप सांस लेते हैं, जब आप
Sir,
हवा
बाहर.
छोड़ते हैं, तो जब सांस जब बाहर की तरफ निकालते हैं, that process is known as exhale. Okay? Now read this one.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
read this
sir.
one. Read this one.
Sir, exhibition.
जा नहीं है. Exhibition. Exhibition. What is this?
Exhibition.
Fix.
What is this?
Explain.
What is
Explain.
this? Now read all the words. Read all
Mixture.
the words. Mixture. इसको मिक्सचर तो नहीं बोलते ना?
Mixture, text. No, sir.
Okay.
Mixture, text, expert, side.
What is this? Mehak, can you tell Abiral what is this?
expert,
Expert.
Sir,
Expert नहीं है.
expert.
Pet और part में अंतर है. Abiral, this is expert. कहा भी जाता है ना, बहुत बड़े एक्सपर्ट बनते हो. गांव में तो लोग मतलब people say speak like this कि बहुत बड़े एक्सपर्ट बनते हो, तो इसको करके दिखाओ. If you are really expert, then can you do this one? Can you read this one? Ansh Pandey,
Sir, expert.
you are trying to be an expert. Can you read this one? What is this?
Sir, part.
Expert. Now don't be expert. Now read this one. I will check that whether you are expert or not. If you are going to read this one, then I will say then that means कि you are, then I will consider you as expert. Ansh Pandey, now read this one.
Exactly.
Auxiliary. X pronounced as za. बोला जाए ना auxiliary word. Auxiliary words बोलते हैं ना इंग्लिश ग्रामर में, हमने पढ़ाया होगा कभी. ये what is this? Mehak.
And sir,
Annexity नहीं. Many people pronounce as annexity. It's not the annexity. It's what is this?
anxiety,
Annexity. What is this?
sir,
exhaust,
Beta, this words has been used.
Sir,
मतलब frequently people use this word. Even in the kitchen या कहीं पे भी ऐसी जगह आप लोग use भी करते हैं. Fan. Exhaust.
yes sir,
What is this?
Exhaust.
exhaust,
Exhaust नहीं बोलेंगे. It's a exhaust. Za. Exhaust. Exhaust. Okay. What is this?
Yes, sir.
sir, exhibit,
Now read the next one. What is this?
Exact.
exact,
Exact. Exactly. कई लोग exactly नहीं, exactly मतलब बिल्कुल. Exactly. बिल्कुल. There are some other words. What do you have? Let's say there are few more words are there. Can you read this one? Because also the time is running. I have to tell you the rule also. Now read this one.
exaggerate,
Now read this one. Read all the words in this column.
xenophobia,
Xenophobia. Okay, very good. Next.
xylophone,
xylophone,
Xylo एक गाड़ी भी आती है. There is a model of Xylo. From Mahindra, I think. कई लोग कहते हैं ना Xylo मेरे पास है, Bolero मेरे पास है, Scorpio मेरे पास है. There is a type of
Jaguar.
Xylo type of vehicle that is a Xylo is also there. What is this?
exalt,
And what is this one? This one?
executive,
Executive. Beta, you all have read some of the words in this section. You have read some words where X is pronounced as KS. X ka आधा का and sa. And also you have read some of the words where X is pronounced as za. Okay? But where you are, where in the, let's say if you are facing the new words, then how you are going to recognize, how you are going to identify that when you have to pronounce as KS and when you are going to pronounce KX as a za. For all your information, there is no any set of the rules. There is no any set of the rules. कोई rules है ही नहीं. अब there is no set of rules. Rules है ही नहीं. But हाँ, most of the time there are most of the time if what you can do most of the time, what you can do, you can look towards the letter X. X को आपको देखना है. If there is a consonant, if after letter X there is a consonant, अगर consonant है, then it would be pronounced as KS. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But if there is a word, let's say कि, for example, After X, there is a consonant C. After X, there is a consonant P. After X, there is a consonant T. So how we are pronouncing it? Excite, expert, text, mixture, explain, fix, there is no consonant. Exhibition, exhibition, exhale. Now here the rule, whatever the rule I have told you, if there is a consonant after letter X, then it would be pronounced as KS. And if there is a verb, if there is a vowel, if there is a vowel after X, if there is a vowel letter after the X, then you have to pronounce as za. Just like xenophobia, xenophobia, xylophone. After X, it is a E, is a vowel sound, then exert, executive. There is a vowel sound after X, na?
Yes, sir.
After X, there is also vowel. After X, there is also vowel, that is exact. Auxiliary. After X, there is a I. After X, there is a I. Most of the time, whenever you are getting vowel after X, you have to pronounce as za. अगर consonant है, then you have to pronounce as KS. X वाला sound है, okay? But
Yes, sir.
100%
Sir.
this rule is not follow. Many of the time ये rule नहीं काम करता. This rule does not work. Many of the time this rule does not work. Just like if you talk about if you read this word TAXI, there is a vowel letter after X, but it is being pronounced as taxi. यहाँ पे जा तो नहीं बोले ना?
No, sir.
Maximum, there is also a vowel sound, but it is being pronounced as maximum. So whatever the rule I have told you, this is not 100% perfect, but most of the time you can, जब आपको नया words हो, आप नहीं पढ़े हैं कहीं पे, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, then as per the rule, whatever जो अभी मैंने rule बताया, as per that rule you can pronounce. Otherwise you can check with the Google or your teacher or your elder one. अपने से बड़ों से किसी से भी आप मदद ले सकते हैं. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
let's say there is a word exhaust. After X there is a consonant, but it is being pronounced as za. X, after X there is a consonant word, that is H. H consonant है या vowel है, क्या है?
Sir.
Ansh Pandey,
Consonant.
can you tell me all the vowels of
Consonant.
English alphabet?
The consonant.
Ansh Pandey, can you tell me all the vowels of English alphabet? Ansh Pandey,
Yes, sir.
how many vowels are there in the English alphabet?
A, U, E, X.
वाओ. आप बेटा कौन कौन से स्कूल में, इतने बड़े बड़े स्कूल में इतना दूर दूर जाते थे पढ़ने, यही सब पढ़ते थे? You don't know how many vowels are there, even you are not able to identify the vowels and consonant. How will you explain this one? ये आज की टॉपिक पढ़ने का क्या मतलब है अगर आप vowel consonant ही नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हैं, नहीं पहचान पा रहे हैं? महक अबिरल, if you know then you have to raise your hand. How many vowels are there, Abiral Chaturvedi?
Sir, 5.
5. Mahak, tell us beta all the vowels name.
Sir, A, E, I, O, U.
Ansh Pandey, how many vowels are there in English alphabet?
A, E, I, O, U.
Beta remember, keep A, E, I, O, U, only 5 letters are there. 5 letters are vowel in English alphabet, and you have to look that whether there is a vowel letters after the X. अगर X के बाद vowel letters है तो उसको pronounce करेंगे जा की तरह, लेकिन हर जगह नहीं, कोई जरूरी नहीं, but most of the time you would be pronounced as za. यही तो बताया गया ना बेटा?
Yes, sir.
बट whenever AEIOU के अलावा कोई दूसरा लेटर, AEIOU के अलावा दूसरा लेटर वोबेल नहीं होगा. AEIOU आपका वोबेल है, तो इसके अलावा अगर कोई दूसरा लेटर है तो क्या कहलाएगा? वो वोबेल रहेगा या कुछ और रहेगा? अंश पांडे
Yes, sir. Sir,
क्या रहेगा?
consonant.
कॉन्सोनेंट. इफ यू आर गेटिंग कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर मतलब AEIOU को छोड़ के कोई दूसरा लेटर कुछ भी मिल जाए, P मिल जाए, M मिल जाए, T मिल जाए, X मिल जाए, कुछ भी. इफ इट इज ए कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर AEIOU के अलावा अगर कोई दूसरा लेटर X के बाद मिलता है, देन इट वुड बी प्रोनाउंस्ड एज X.
Consonant.
But
Yes, sir.
once again, there are some of the, it is this rule is not going to be follow 100%. Sometimes this rule is not working. So there, what you by your experience you can read the board. Otherwise, you can ask from your elder one, from your teacher. If you are having the access of Google, then you can check with the Google. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
beta, this is what we have learned in this section. I hope pronunciation junction में whatever you have studied, जब मैं अगली क्लास में शुरू करूंगा इसके बाद वाला सेक्शन पढ़ाना, then again I would be talking about the pronunciation junction, what we have learned today. I hope on that day you will be able to speak about the topic whatever we have learned. भूलेंगे तो नहीं ना?
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So this is for today. Try to keep learning, try to remember all the topics whatever you are learning, and solve the exercises related to the pronunciation junction. If there is any exercise, I hope there is no exercise with this topic na? Is there any exercise or not, beta?
Sir, book C.
In the book, see, there is exercise. Please check that how many exercises are there. Actually, right
Yes,
now
sir.
I don't have in the book. Check that whether there is any exercise in book C or not. Mehak. Pronunciation junction.
One exercise.
What is the question, beta? Can you read the question?
Look at the words in the box. Sort them correctly into two columns according to the pronunciation of the letter X.
Okay, do one thing. Try to solve this exercise immediately, because अभी आपने पढ़ा है तो अभी तुरंत करेंगे तो तुरंत आपको ध्यान भी हो जाएगा, मेमोराइज भी हो जाएगा. अंश पांडे,
Yes, sir.
महक, आप सभी लोग
Yes,
do
sir.
this exercise immediately. The session is about to be closed. तो अभी तुरंत आप ये एक्सरसाइज को
Yes,
सॉल्व
sir.
करें. इसका वर्क जो भी है आपका वर्क है वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भेजें. Send the pic of your work in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is for
Yes,
today.
sir.
Goodbye everyone.
Sir, goodbye.